Hey people, I know I haven't spoken in ages. I feel kind of rusty and I'm slightly nervous. I don't know why, but I think it's good to be back speaking. I hope you guys have been doing well. Today I am trying out Tasty's FUDGY brownies. First, I'm chopping some semi-sweet chocolate. I need to melt about half in the microwave. You can equally do this on the stove in a double boiler, and then the other half I will save for later. I have some melted butter, sugar and eggs in my bowl. So I tried the 4K feature on my camera and it gave me this overly zoomed footage. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, instruction says to beat the mixture until pale and fluffy, about 2 minutes. Oh, don't forget the vanilla extract. The melted chocolate goes in and gets the hangouts with the other guys. I have some salt, instant coffee powder. This is optional by the way, but I find coffee to pair well with anything I'm baking that has chocolate in it. Some cocoa powder and flour. Bring it all together with a spatula and add the other half of the chopped chocolate. The batter is very thick. My tin size is about 18 by 18 centimeters. Although the instructions said to bake for 20 to 25 minutes, I left it for an extra 10 minutes and the middle part was still a little gooey for me. Look guys, I didn't like it. I love desserts and I eat a lot of it when I bake. This one, I struggled to finish the second bar. It was overly sweet despite taking 50 grams of sugar off of it. I love sweet stuff, but not too sweet, if that makes sense. It was too dense and chocolatey and fudgy. Well, at least they were true to the title. Both my regular tasters didn't like it as well. It does come together easily, so I guess that's a plus. If you are a diehard, I love anything chocolate in whatever shape or form, then maybe you'd like this one. Anyway, that's it guys. Thank you for sticking around. I'll see you next time. Bye.